Adventure Bay was bubbling with excitement over a new exhibition at the Adventure Bay Museum. The highlight was a strange, glowing artifact, believed to be a relic from an ancient legend. The townsfolk gathered eagerly around the exhibit, unaware that this artifact was about to change their lives. Almost immediately after the unveiling, strange occurrences began. Animals in Adventure Bay started behaving oddly. Birds flew backward, squirrels danced in circles, and even the usually calm Mayor Goodway's chicken, Chicoletta, was clucking tunes. Ryder, the leader of the Paw Patrol, noticed these peculiar changes and quickly summoned the team. "Paw Patrol, to the lookout," he called. Out of their posts and ready for adventure, the pups gathered. "Something strange is happening in Adventure Bay," Ryder explained, "and I think it has something to do with that artifact." Just as Ryder finished talking, the weather turned bizarre. The sky turned an eerie green, lightning crackled, and a thick fog rolled in, blanketing the town. The news of bizarre weather and odd animal behavior spread, and an elderly townsman approached Ryder with a tale. "I've seen this before," he said, his voice quivering. "Long ago, it was said that an enchanted realm coexists with ours. The balance must have been disturbed." Ryder decided to investigate more about the artifact. The team gathered and examined the markings on it. Rocky, the clever recycling pup, decoded strange symbols, revealing a map that pointed to the hills near Adventure Bay. Sky, ever the keen-eyed flyer, soon spotted a shimmering portal opening in the sky over those very hills. The Paw Patrol knew what they had to do. With courage and determination, they prepared to enter the unknown. As they stepped through the portal, they found themselves in a magical forest where gravity had no rules, flowers hummed melodies, and colors shifted with each step. They were greeted by a mystical fox named Alara who explained that her world had been destabilized and urgently needed the artifact to restore balance. Their first challenge came as magical traps tested their bravery. Strange roots sprang from the ground, but the pups stayed determined. Chase faced his fear of heights, trusting his instincts to cross a mystical bridge that only appeared when he took a leap of faith. Rubble used his construction tools to navigate through an enchanted maze with walls that kept shifting. And then there was Marshall, who stumbled upon a healing spring, managing to save injured magical creatures. Eventually, they reached the legendary Crystal Mountains. Their peaks glowed, and Rocky invented a gadget to help them climb. However, the mountains were guarded by a majestic being who presented them with a riddle. Working together, they solved it, retrieving a powerful crystal. This crystal, when paired with the artifact, restored balance to both worlds. With the mission complete, they returned to Adventure Bay. The weather calmed, animals behaved normally, and life went back to cheerful days. The Paw Patrol, ever ready for a new challenge, celebrated their success, knowing they brought harmony to the enchanted world and their own. On a bright sunny day in Adventure Bay, the Paw Patrol team was busy with their daily tasks when they stumbled upon a mysterious artifact buried beneath the sand. Ryder, the young leader, and the pups, Chase, Marshall, Sky, Rocky, Zuma, and Everest, examined it with curiosity. Soon after, strange things began to happen. Animals behaved oddly, the weather grew unpredictable, and an old legend whispered through the town about an enchanted land. Ryder and the pups discovered that the artifact was a key to unlocking a hidden realm. Determined to restore balance, they embarked on their biggest adventure yet. The first challenge came when an avalanche threatened to bury them, but Everest saved the day with her climbing skills and quick thinking. Amid the snow and chaos, they found an ancient scroll revealing a prophecy about restoring balance to the realms. Their journey led them to an enchanted lake. Zuma dived deep into its magical waters and found a hidden key that would unlock a magical gate. Continuing their quest, the team entered a cursed forest filled with enchanted animals. Using their bravery and teamwork, they rescued the trapped creatures. Next, they ventured into a dark forest, where tricky illusions tested their perception, but they trusted each other to find the truth. Sky then soared through enchanted winds, retrieving a sacred gem important for their next step. The team faced a time-sensitive puzzle, aligning magical stones to open a secret passage. They soon discovered an evil sorcerer was behind the imbalance, aiming to merge the realms for his own gain. The sorcerer sent his minions to capture the pups, but Chase's clever plan outwitted their foes. Following clues, the team found a hidden temple where the final battle between good and evil loomed. Inside, Marshall's firefighting skills saved them from falling debris as the temple began to collapse. Just as the sorcerer opened a portal to merge Adventure Bay and the Enchanted Realm forever, Zuma led the team through dangerous waters to escape its pull. In Adventure Bay, everything seemed just fine until one sunny morning when Rubble stumbled upon a mysterious artifact. It glimmered like a star and had strange markings on it. Little did they know, this artifact was the key to an ancient legend about an enchanted land. Ryder, the leader of the Paw Patrol, quickly called the team, which consisted of Chase, Marshall, Sky, Rocky, and Zuma, to investigate. Right away, strange things began to happen. Weather patterns went haywire, and animals started acting out of character. Curious and excited, the pups listened to the stories about an enchanted realm that their elderly friend, Captain Turbot, shared. They learned that the artifact had the power to open a portal to this magical world, but it also came with great responsibility. Ryder and the pups decided to take on the mission to restore balance and protect both realms. Their first task was to find the missing parts of the artifact. They split up into teams, each with a unique role to play. Zipping around in her helicopter, Sky spotted clues from the air while Chase used his incredible tracking skills on the ground. Meanwhile, Rubble used his bulldozer to clear the paths, and Rocky's recycling skills came in handy for solving puzzles. The team worked together seamlessly, but time was running out. The more pieces they found, the more powerful the portal became, merging the two worlds at an alarming rate. Just as they were piecing together the final part of the artifact, an evil sorcerer appeared, determined to use the portal's power for his own gain. The pups knew they had to act fast. Chase faced a tough decision that could change the fate of both worlds, but his bravery led him to choose wisely. Rubble's determination allowed him to break through the sorcerer's last defense, giving the team a crucial chance to strike. As they tried to close the portal, the sorcerer unleashed his full power, making it almost impossible. Ryder, never one to back down, confronted the sorcerer and offered him a chance at redemption. Marshall, with his caring heart, used his healing touch to show the sorcerer a glimpse of his lost humanity. Overwhelmed with emotions, the sorcerer remembered he was once the noble protector of the realms. Regretful, he aided the pups in closing the portal, restoring balance. The team put the artifacts back in their rightful places, reversing the chaos. They bid farewell to their magical allies, a bittersweet moment as they returned to Adventure Bay.